Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to try and work with some acrylic inks, the Liquitex ones. I've got turquoise deep, I've got iridescent bright gold, I've got quinacridone magenta, and dioxazine purple. I've never worked with the acrylic inks before, but I saw them on the shelf and had to buy myself some, and we'll see if I can make something of this. I did try once already to do the acrylic inks with a white base, very, very thin base, but as soon as I put the inks down, it sunk. So I highly recommend, if you try this, don't put a base down. Greg will actually put a picture up for you right now of my failed attempt. As soon as I put the inks down, they just sunk. It was horrible. So I'm sure he's showing you my failed attempt right now. Definitely going to try it with a dried base. I painted it dioxazine purple, and I'm going to put the inks down and see what happens. We'll see. So the dioxazine purple I used is the Liquitex Basics, just for my painted canvas. And all of my inks are done with Liquitex Professional Pouring Medium. This is very, very fluid. We'll see what they do. Got marbles put aside here in the corner. I might do marbles, I might not. I'm undecided. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. Let's hope this video turns out and I'll be able to actually post it for you so you can enjoy. All right, Greg's going to hit some music. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the mess I'm about to make. All right, everybody.
You're like a song that I sing in the morning on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that is coming to a place with ocean view. You're like an old familiar friend when all is new. Sound of the raindrops drumming on a first this summer day. You're like the scent of coffee brewing in the morning. You're like the crackling of a fireplace on a chilly winter night. You're like a cabin made for two while inside is snowing. Oh. Just like a movie scene wherever you go. And do you know that I know that you know? Do you know that I know that you know? And when you drop one of your smiles, the sound of tears and violence rise. 'Cause your laughter is the soundtrack of my life. The soundtrack of my life. Soundtrack of my life. The soundtrack of my life. You're like a song that I sing in the morning on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that's coming to a place with ocean view. You're like an old familiar friend when all is new. When all is new. You're like a song that I sing in the morning on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that's coming to a place with ocean view. You're soul. I ain't trying to change your mind, just feeling like you ought to know. You're a flawless melody, an octave higher than my breath. I can get you out my mind even when I ain't got nothing left. There ain't no one keeping time. There ain't nothing on the line. Just a foolish heart's desire. Oh, to let you know. You don't have to sing with me, but the truth is written like a sign. I have never heard a no, cause my heart just can't be out of time. Bless the spirit with the gift to help you when it is to heal. You're the music holding me close to everything that I hold dear. There ain't no one keeping time. There ain't nothing on the line. Just a foolish heart's desire. Oh, to let you know. Baby, come and take my heart. Let your spirit lose control. Baby, come and take my heart. Let the song inside your soul. Baby, come and take my heart. Let the spirit lose control. Baby, come and take my heart. Let the song inside your soul. Baby, come and take my heart. Let your spirit lose control. Baby, come and take my heart. Let your song inside your soul. Baby, come and take my heart. Let your spirit lose control. Baby, come and take my heart. Let the song inside your soul. Baby, come and take my heart. Let your spirit lose control. Baby, come and take my heart. Let the song inside your soul. Baby, come and take my heart. Let your spirit lose control. Baby, come and take my heart. Let the song inside your soul. I wanna keep you in an honest place, cause you've been hiding for 1,000 days. Lower level in your parents' place with your head held down. I remember when you held the magic. Now you're acting like you never had it. Get in the car, man, it's too damn tragic to let you drown. Here now, turn it around. Gotta love it or let it go. With our eyes closed and some wings to fly, singing oh, 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 oh. Why'd you go and never ask me to stay? Why you push the ones who love you away? Don't close the curtain on a brighter day when history could repeat it. Now it's time to get a little higher. When God made you, He made a fighter. You just spent a little more time feeling lost than found. Here now, turn it around. Gotta love it or let it go. With our eyes closed and some wings to fly, singing oh, 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 oh. Right now, in the sound of a song from long ago. With our arms out and some road to drive, singing oh, 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 oh. And all tried to leave again that way. The funny thing is when I carry you, it carries me. For 1,000 days, lower level at your parents' place, but not right now. It's the coldest hand that run down this land where the ocean ends. It's the tallest sound, the damn smallest crowd, but their hearts break loud. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. It's the furthest sun, the gone done for love. It's a pulse and shove. It's the sharpest cry, the here goes but why, where the desperate lie. Far from ever feeling lost with me, I'll push you back towards the land and sea. They're going down for love, and love is free. Stick with me and I will guarantee you're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. You're never lost among the crowd with me. You're never lost among the crowd with me. Never lost among the crowd with me. Everywhere you go I'll be. Anywhere you go I'll see. Even when you're on a breeze, when the trees are shaking off their leaves, you'll never